Oh yeah, oh yeah. Good boy, good boy. What's your bandana say today? What's your bandana say? What's your bandana say? Yeah, isn't that right? Starting off today. Good old bow tie on the 18 wides. Sitting pretty in the street. Even though we could get in trouble for that, actually. But oh well. Ooh. Start it up. You're gonna start it up. Ooh. Ooh. Starting the day off with an install today. We got some new lighting TRENDZ demon eye bulbs going in the projectors on the Tahoe today. We did have some that went into the aftermarket lights, but obviously the aftermarket lights aren't in the truck anymore. So we got a new set to go in the stock headlights. If you guys remember, we have gotten everything chrome deleted. So we got the grill done. We do have a new grill on the way as well. Grill done, the trim pieces on the top of the headlights, and everything on the side of the windows as well. All the chrome trim pieces on the windows. Looks really good. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with the install. The only thing I will tell you is it looks like lighting TRENDZ is kind of up their game a little bit as far as how their wiring is. So the normal wiring has just the normal rubber pieces like you see here, but the new stuff has this like weave material over it to help give it some extra strength, which I think is really nice. So that's going to come in handy with the install and overall durability of the lights. So I'll give you guys a quick look when we get done with it. Just real quick for you guys, when we're not running color changing bulbs in our trucks, we are running Last Fit Auto Lighting LED replacement bulbs. These LED bulbs that Last Fit makes are second to none. The only two companies that we will work with as far as lighting goes, Last Fit and Lighting TRENDZ. Last Fit does all of my just stock aftermarket lighting. The LEDs are absolutely phenomenal. I've never had an issue with them. The only reason we use Lighting TRENDZ as well is because Last Fit doesn't do any color changing stuff. So if you need one of those two companies, Last Fit and Lighting TRENDZ, I've got a discount for both of those companies in the link in the description below, so check that out. Just like that. Man, I'm getting good at this stuff. Switch the colors. We got red and blue. Ooh. Dang, looking good. So I'm on the way to ZACKS shop, and of course, for my boy Dylan, had to stop and get the chocolate milk, the daily chocolate milk. And she don't know it yet, but got the old lady some wine too, because you know I like to spoil my girl a little bit. So I'll see you guys when we get to the tent shop. So what you think?
I fuck with it.
That bitch is wide.
Yeah. Jesus.
It looks good though.
Yeah, it does.
Look at that right there. That's mean. That's so mean.
You shitting on me.
I'm shitting on a lot of people. Hey, don't get me wrong. Hey, the truck looks good though. Truck looks good. I like this. And you got new tires. How you like the amp tires?
Oh yeah, I love it.
I like that. I like the amp tires. They're pretty cheap too.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that.
Let's just say the windshield's a little dark.
Oh, you already got it done? So my boy Will here just got the 5% windshield tint done. Is it unlocked? Or what do you have on the sides?
5/20.
Oh, so you got, oh, yours is darker than mine then.
Yeah.
So he's got 5/20 on the fronts and 5/20 on the back.
Yeah.
And the 5% windshield. That's darker than mine. Mine's just 5 on the front. Everything else is the same. So his is a little bit darker than mine. I can only imagine. And you'll figure it out. It's not bad during the day, but at night when it's raining.
It's rough. like
rough.
Tonight.
Can you? Who is that? Who is that? What's up? Doing all right?
Dude,
y'all busy in there?
Yeah. We need you on board, man. Seriously, we need your help, bro. Full time. Full time.
You heard it. What is it? Oh, look. Yeah. Oh, he did that?
Yeah. And you know what's really cool? It matches my dash pieces too.
I don't know. Can I zoom in and be able to? Here, I'm gonna get in. There you go. Y'all see the carbon fiber up here on the windshield? That's so cool. I like that. 5% windshield tint, gang. Hey, leave it right there, right there, right there. About to get that pic for the gram. Pic for the gram, pic for the YouTube. Every damn pair. But that's your shirt. One like that. Damn, I've gotten like no front pics. Like that's it's wider than the camera. Hey, y'all don't know, my boy is one of the only people in the world with the Bread Gang stickers. Even though, was that how the, oh, windshield wiper did that? Dang. Hey, it still looks good though. Bread Gang. Louis V 5'3". Y'all go follow my man on Instagram. What do you mean wiring job? I want to see. I'm not paying attention. I want to see how dark, if his is darker than mine. I can see you just fine. His is, I don't know. I can definitely tell that your side mirrors are darker than that. Mine are even, but yours are definitely a little bit darker. So I can tell at night that's not gonna be fun. As far as I know, me and Will are the only two people in Atlanta right now with 5% windshield tint. The only two. So step your game up. Well, we made it back to the house in one piece. So that's what, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 full days that we have not broken something yet on the 4-inch spacers, which I'm really surprised. Like I said, y'all probably heard me say this a million times. I'm genuinely scared to drive around like this because it puts so much strain on the suspension. So I'll probably end up taking it off tomorrow, the next day, sometime this week probably. But I'll make sure to take a bunch of pictures for you guys so I can fill the Instagram up with them. But don't get me wrong, a daily driver is somewhere in the near future for us. So this setup on the truck, how it sits right now, is not gone completely. This setup will make a comeback, I promise that. But the rain's coming in, so I'm gonna head out. I gotta run in, get a couple things ordered for the truck. I've actually got some lights ordered for the truck that I need to do that. Aren't the wheel lights, but it is something pretty cool that I'm really excited to try out with a company that I've been working with. So stay tuned for that. A lot of great stuff coming this week. Hit that subscribe button, join the Bread Gang. We get this bread. That's all you need to know. So I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later. Let's get this bread. Who's been looking in here? Oh. Hey. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look, you can see us.
My goodness.
Good day.
So you guys aren't gonna be able to see what color it is. Obviously these clips obviously these clips are in black and white, so you can tell that it's reflective though. That's the only thing they'll be able to tell. Is that it's reflective. Is that okay? I guess. That's the look she's giving me. She's just like, I guess. Okay, let's all right.
It's so pretty.
Back to the work shenanigans for the day.